welcome back to my channel in another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope everyone is doing good. I am back again with yet very interesting and amazing topic that what to do and how to choose the respective college in which you want to pursue MDS. What are the things that you have to keep in mind before selecting the college of your choice and branch of your choice. All of these things will be discussed in today's video, so please watch the full video so that you don't miss out any important content of my video. So my name is Dr. Shabista Tibi and you're watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So first and the foremost thing that you have to keep in mind is while selecting the college of your choice is that you have to see that the guide. The one thing that you have to keep in mind, you have to see the PG guide. That means as when you pursue your MDS, one respective guides and co-guide are allocated to you that you have to perform your thesis under that. You have to spend your 3 years with them. So before taking admission, if you are selecting one college, just go and just clear your thought about कि guide कैसा है, क्लिनिकल पार्ट कराता है, थ्योरी पार्ट कराता है, नहीं कराते हैं. ये सब चीज़ें एडमिशन लेने से पहले आपको पूछनी पड़ेंगी वहाँ से जो लोग पीजी कर रहे हैं उनसे, या और भी कोई सोर्स हो उनसे, क्योंकि गाइड का बेटर होना सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है व्हाइल यू परस्यू योर MDS. द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ पेशेंट फ्लो, बिकॉज there are many students who are doing their Bachelor of Dental Surgery in a college where the patient flow is very low. So they take admission in MDS college and again you see that patient flow is very low. When you are going to learn about the patient work, so you have to keep in mind you have to take admission in a college where the patient flow is very much. So you do not have a lack of clinical knowledge. So always see these कि patient कितने हैं. इसके लिए just visit the respective college. If likewise there are so many colleges, 300 approx 320 colleges are there, just select 5 to 6 college in which you want to take admission. Visit the college personally. Just ask the background, ask about the college, ask about the department, ask about the staff, ask about the patient flow, ask about the environment. कैसा है एडमिशन हम लें या ना लें. जाइए वहाँ पीजी फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू देम. यू विल गेट अ क्लियर थॉट अबाउट द कॉलेज. प्लस द थर्ड थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज the environment is very much necessary because there is whole lot of pressure in your mind going on while pursuing MDS. So if you have a good environment, then it is very easy to pass these 3 years while pursuing MDS. If the environment is not that good, you will choke up and you will end up in a very bad environment and then it will be very hard to survive all these 3 years. So having a good environment is very much necessary to pursue MDS in a respective college. The fourth thing is infrastructure. You have to see, like there I have seen many college like in Prostho, there though the implantology is included but they don't let the student perform implant work. So just inquire about that कि at the end of 3 years कितने implant आपको डालने दे रहे हैं. If you are going for the pedo branch, just see that whether they are allowing you to practice conscious sedation or general anesthesia or not, because they are the backbone of pediatric dentistry. I must say that though it is said that behavior management you have to do it on, but there are certain chances, there are certain criteria, certain situations with you that you have to go with the pharmacological means of behavior management. So all of these things you have to see कि nitrous oxide conscious sedation करने दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे हैं, तभी आपका फ़ायदा है वो कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने का. यही सब सर्जरी के माइनर सर्जरी, मेजर सर्जरीज कितने बेसिस पे हो रही हैं, आपको फ्री हैंड मिलता है उस कॉलेज में या नहीं मिलता है, कॉम्प्रोमाइज सिचुएशन में वो काम करना पड़ता है, क्या आपको कॉलेज आपको प्रोवाइड करता है वो सब चीज़ें काम करने की जो आपको पेशेंट में रिक्वायर्ड होंगी. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग यू हैव टू सी बिफोर चूजिंग योर रिस्पेक्टिव MDS कॉलेज. द नेक्स्ट advice I just want to give that visit the respective college of your choice. Make a list of 5 to 6 college, just visit those college. So what is important? Seeing your guide is important, patient flow, infrastructure is important, and knowing about the respective specialty is very important. And one last thing that is important is the fee structure, the tuition fees. That is very important, because while pursuing MDS there are so many expenditure in between. You have, because you have conferences, you have convention, you have all these kind of stuff, you have to spend a whole lot of amount of money, and then you have to buy respective instrument also, you have to give examination fees also, you have to give thesis submission fees also, and examination fees is not very less. And so all of these things you have to keep in mind while selecting the college of your choices. And always keep in mind, if you have appeared for NEET MDS 2021, always keep those documents safe. You should have your admit card with you, you should have all the 4-year of passing certificate, that is your these percentile marks with you, and then you have internship completion certificate, you have provisional these who haven't had their final degree, they have had provisional certificate of registration with them, registration with your respective state dental counseling, all these things, and then passing out certificate, attempt certificate is very important. All these documents, just keep it with you. You should have your Aadhaar card also while applying for all these counseling procedure. So abhi till yet the counseling dates are not yet announced. You have so much time, go visit the, as corona time is also going on. So many of you message me ki we are not able to visit the respective institute, just want to know about these respective institutes. So if I know about that respective institute, I will surely gonna tell you. And I have told many of the students, and they have messaged me on Instagram, I have told them there also. So this was all about the basic criteria, basic backside of your mind. You should all have all these things in your mind, and then go to the respective department or the respective college allocated to you. So this was all about. If you like this video, please like, share, and of course don't forget to comment your queries on my post. I will surely and definitely answer it. Please like, share, and those who haven't have subscribed till yet, please click the red color subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any important content of my video. I am signing it off. Bye.